Hi friends! Well today, Erwin is on a hunt. He is hunting for twigs. And we are going to make a bed nest. Did you find any twigs? Oh! Oh look! You found some twigs! Yay! We can use it for our bed nest. We're gonna make a bed nest. Oh, that's a bit too big. Take the smaller ones. Do you see any small twigs? Yes, perfect. So let's collect a few twigs and we will make a bird nest. Do you want to be collecting the twigs? Good job. Yes, your bird nest will be really nice. So we've got a few twigs here. We're going to make a bird nest for our art and craft today. A perfect activity for toddlers. No, this is too big. Alright, that's a good job. What about the leaves? We also need some leaves for the bird nest. Look, I think this is perfect. No, that's too big. What about some leaves like this, Erwin? Okay, now let's look for some leaves as well. Some dried leaves.